Welcome to Borishal Cadet College. I am S.M. Atikur Raja, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Borishal Cadet College, Borishal. Boys, I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Due to Corona pandemic, I could not take your class in your classroom. I have to take your class virtually. Coronavirus is like the flu. Children very rarely get sick, but it feels like a cold. Be careful and tell your parents or teacher if you don't feel good. Tell an adult or your teacher when you don't feel good, you have a cough, your head hurts. Well, now I will take your higher mathematics class for class 9. Today's topic, equations involving radicals from chapter 5.2. Learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to know about solving integral equation. Boys, in this chapter, at first I solved some problem and a CQ, then I will give you some homework. This is a problem here. At first, I write this problem, that is root over 8x plus 9 minus root over twice x plus 15 equal to root over twice x minus 6. If I change this side, then I get root over 8x plus 9 equal to root over twice x plus 15 plus root over twice x minus 6. Then we get this equation from this equation. If we take square on both sides of this equation, then I get this equation, because if we take square on both sides of this equation, we can apply here a plus b whole square formula. We know a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus v square. Here root twice x plus 15 square, that means twice x plus 15. Root twice x minus 6 square, that means twice x minus 6. Here twice ab, that means 2 into root over twice x plus 15 root over twice x minus 6 equal to 8x plus 9. That means if we take square on root over 8x plus 9, then we get 8x plus 9. But this term remain unchanged here. 8x plus 9 remain unchanged here. Because you know 2x plus 2x equal to 4x. And if we change the side, then we get minus 4x. 15 minus 6 equal to 9. And if we change the side, then we get minus 9. Because this term remain unchanged. Here 8x minus 4x equal to 4x. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. If we divide this equation by 2, then we get root over twice x plus 15 root over twice x minus 6 equal to twice x. If we take square on both sides on this equation, we get twice x plus 15 into twice x minus 6 equal to 4x square. If we multiply this two term, then we get 4x square minus 12x plus 30x minus 90, because 2x into 2x equal to 4x square. 2x minus 6 equal to 12x. 15 into 2x, that means 30x. 15 into minus 6 equal to 90. Here 4x square remain unchanged. Was here minus 12x plus 30x, that means plus 18x. Other terms are remain unchanged. Because here 4x square minus 4x square equal to 0. So finally we get 8x equal to 90. If we divide this equation by 18, then we get x equal to 5. Because now we check this equation by this solution, which is called verification. For x equal to 5, left hand side 8 into x, that means 8 into 5 plus 9. Here minus root over 2 into 5 plus 15. 2 into 5 plus 15. Because you know 8 into 5, that means 40. 40 plus 9 equal to 49. 2 into 5, that means 10. 10 plus 15 equal to 25. Square root of 49 equal to 7. Square root of 25 equal to 5. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. And right hand side, for x equal to 5, we get 2 into 5 minus 6. Here 2 into 5, that means 10. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. Root over 4 equal to 2. Whereas here we see that for x equal to 5, the value of left hand side and the value of right hand side is same. So our required solution is x equal to 5. Now we solve another problem which is given here. Was at first we write this equation, which is root over 2x plus 9 minus root over x minus 4 equal to root over x plus 1. If we take square on both sides of this equation, then we get this equation. Because here we apply a minus b whole square formula. Well, you know, root over 2x plus 9 square, that means 2x plus 9. Root over x minus 4 square, that means x minus 4. Here minus 2ab, that means minus root over 2x plus 9 root over x minus 4. Here the square of root over x plus 1 equal to x plus 1. But here 2x plus x equal to 3x, 9 minus 4 equal to 5. This term remain unchanged. Here x plus 1 remain unchanged. But if we change the side for x, then we get minus x. For 1, we get here minus 1. And if we change this term, then we get positive term. Was 3x minus x equal to 2x, 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Here this term remain unchanged. If we divide this equation by 2, then we get x plus 2 equal to root over 2x plus 9 root over x minus 4. But here we change the side, then we get this equation. If we take square on both sides of this equation, then we get 2x plus 9 x minus 4 equal to x plus 2 whole square. But if we multiply this term by this term, then we get this equation. Here 2x into x equal to 2x square, 2x minus 4 equal to minus 8x. 9 into x, that means 9x. 9 into minus 4, that means minus 36. Here, if we apply the formula plus b whole square, then we get x square plus 4x plus 4. But if we change this side for this term, then we get 2x square minus x square plus x minus 4x minus 36 minus 4 equal to 0. But you know, 2x square minus x square, that means x square. X minus 4x, that means minus 3x. Minus 36 minus 4 equal to minus 40. But now we take middle factor for this term, then we get x square minus 8x plus 5x minus 40 equal to 0. If we take common x from these two terms, then we get x into x minus 8. And from these two terms, if we take common 5, then we get 5 into x minus 8. Was finally we get x minus 8, x plus 5. From this equation, we get x equal to 8 or x equal to minus 5. Well, now we verify this equation for the solution. For x equal to 8, left hand side, here root over 2x plus 9 minus root over x minus 4. So here we get 2 into 8 plus 9 minus 8 minus 4 was 2 into 8. That means 16. 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Here we get root over 25. Here 8 minus 4. That means 4. Here square root of 25 equal to 5. Square root of 4 equal to 2. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. And right hand side, if we put the value 8, then we get 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 means 9. Root over 9 equal to 3. So x equal to 8 is the root of the given equation. Was now we check for x equal to minus 5. Left hand side here, root over 2 into minus 5 plus 9 minus root over minus 5 minus 4. Was 2 into minus 5, that means minus 10. Minus 10 plus 9 equal to root over minus 1. Here minus that, then root over minus 5 minus 4 equal to root over minus 9. And right hand side, root over minus 5 plus 1 equal to root over minus 4. For x equal to minus 5, this value is not acceptable because putting x equal to minus 5, each term becomes the square root of a negative number which is not defined. Suppose the solution is x equal to 5. Now we solve another problem which is given here. At first we write this problem. From this equation, we can get this equation because we change the sign of this term. Because now we take square on the both sides of the equation, then we get this equation. Because square root x square minus 6x plus 9. If we square this term, then we get x square minus 6x plus 9. And if we apply here a plus b whole square formula, then we get 1 plus root over 2s 2 root over square x square minus 6x plus 6 plus x square minus 6x plus 6. But if we change the sign for this term, then we get x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 1 minus x square plus 6x minus 6 equal to 2 root over x square minus 6x plus 6. But after calculating, then we get this equation because x square minus x square equal to 0, minus 6x plus 6x equal to 0, minus 1 minus 6, that means 7, 9 minus 7 equal to 2. This term remains unchanged. If we divide this term equation by 2, then we get this equation. If we change the sign, then we get root over x square minus 6x plus 6 equal to 1. If we take square on the both sides, then we get x square minus 6x plus 6 equal to 1. If we change the side of 1, then we get x square minus 6x plus 6 minus 1 equal to 0. After calculating 6 minus 1 equal to 5, then we get x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. But if we take middle factor for minus 6x, then we get x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 equal to 0. Because if we take common x from the first two terms, then we get x into x minus 5. And for last two terms, if we take common minus 1, then we get minus 1 into x minus 5 equal to 0. Because finally we get x minus 5 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Here solution x equal to 5, 1. Because now we verified this equation for x equal to 5 and 1. Verification. If we put the value x equal to 5, then we get left hand side root over 5 square minus 6 into 5 plus 9 minus root over 5 square minus 6 into 5 plus 6. Here 5 square means 25, 6 into 5, that means 30. Here 5 square means 25, 6 into 5 means 30. Here 25 plus 9 equal to 34, minus 30 remain unchanged. 25 plus 6, that means 31, minus 30 remain unchanged. Here 34 minus 30 equal to 4. Here 31 minus 30 equal to 1. Because you know root over 4 equal to 2, root over 1 equal to 1. That means 2 minus 1 equal to 1. That means 1 equal to right hand side. So x equal to 5 is the root of the given equation because it satisfies left hand side and right hand side. Now if we put x equal to 1, then we get left hand side root over 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 9 minus 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 6, root over 1 minus 6 plus 9 minus root over 1 minus 6 plus 6. Here 1 plus 9 equal to 10, minus 6 remain unchanged. 1 plus 6 equal to 7, minus 6 remain unchanged. Because you know 10 minus 6 equal to 4, 7 minus 1 equal to 1. Square root of 4 equal to 2, square root of 1 equal to 1. Then finally we get 1, which is equal to right hand side. So x equal to 1 is the root of the given equation. So our required solution is x equal to 5, 1. Whereas now we solve a CQ problem, which is given here. Here given the stem, at first a given problem, which is write the simplified condition of the roots of the quadratic equation is equal, which is for 2 marks. This is another problem for 4 marks, and this is another problem for 4 marks. Now write the simplified condition of the roots of the quadratic equation is equal. Let x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 be a quadratic equation. Then the discriminant of the equation is b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, hence the roots of the equation are real and equal. In this case, x equal to minus b by twice a. So here x equal to minus b by twice a. But now we solve this problem. Here given a problem, we have to show that x equal to plus minus 1. At first, we write this problem. Then we can write this equation in this form. Now, if we take cube on the both sides of the equation, then we get this form. That means 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x to the power 1 by 3 to the power cube. Here, first bracket 2 to the power 1 by 3, first bracket cube. So whereas here, if we apply a plus b whole cube formula, then we get this term. Here, second bracket, then first bracket 1 plus x to the power x, second bracket to the power 3, plus second bracket 1 minus x to the power 1 by 3, second bracket 3, plus 3 into 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3, first bracket 1 minus x to the power 1 by 3, second bracket 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3, plus 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3, second bracket equal to 2. Then from this term we get 1 plus x, and this term we get 1 minus x. Here this term remain unchanged, but using equation 1, which is 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3, 1 minus x to the power 1 by 3 equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3, then we get this equation. From this term we get this term. So Here 1 plus 1 equal to 2, x minus x equal to 0. This term remain unchanged and equal to 2. But if we interchange the side, then we get 2 minus 2 and this term remain unchanged. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So we get this equation. If we divide this equation by 3, then we get this equation. If we divide this equation by 2 to the power 1 by 3, then we get this equation. If we take square cube on the both sides of this equation, then we get 1 plus x into 1 minus x. From this, we get 1 plus x equal to 0, 1 minus x equal to 0. So here x equal to minus 1 or x equal to 1. So finally, we get x equal to plus minus 1, which is our required solution. Because now we solve this problem, we are given some information in the stem. At first, we put the value of b in this equation. Then we get this equation. So here, if we put y equal to this term, then we get 1 by y equal to x minus 1 by 2x. So now we can write 6 root over y plus 5 root over 1 minus y equal to 13. If we take square on both sides, then we get this equation. Here, if we apply the a plus b whole square formula, then we get 6 root over y square plus 2 into 6 root over y dot 5 square root 1 by y plus 5 root over 1 by y square equal to 169. Was from this term we get 36y, from this term we get 60, and from this term we get 25 by y equal to 169. But if we change the side for 60, then we get 169 minus 60. Then we get 169 minus 60 equal to 109. From this term and this term we get this term. If we multiply both sides by y, then we get 36y square plus 25 plus 109y. So if we change the side for 109y, then we get 36y square minus 109y plus 25 equal to 0. Here 36y square minus 109y plus 25 equal to 0. If we take middle factor, then we get 36y square minus 100y minus 9y plus 25 equal to 0. If we take common 4y, then we get 4y first bracket 9y minus 25. And if we take common minus 1 from last two terms, then we get minus 1 into 9y minus 25 equal to 0. Here we get 9y minus 25, 4y minus 1 equal to 0. So 9y minus 25 equal to 0 or 4y minus 1 equal to 0. If 9y minus 25 equal to 0, then 9y equal to 25, y equal to 25 by 9. Here, if we put the value of y, then we get 2x by x minus 1 equal to 25 by 9. Here we get 25x minus 25 equal to 18x. Here 25x minus 18x equal to 25. Whereas 25x minus 18x equal to 7x. So x equal to 25 by 7. Again 4y minus 1 equal to 0. 4y equal to 1 or y equal to 1 by 4. If we put the value of y, then we get 2x by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. After calculation, we get 8x equal to x minus 1. 8x minus x equal to minus 1. 7x equal to minus 1. So finally, we get x equal to minus 1 by 7. But we now verify this equation using this solution. If x equal to 25 by 7, then we get left hand side this term. After calculation, we get this term because 2 into 25 by 7 equal to 50 by 7. Here 25 by 7, 25 minus 7 by 7. Here 25 minus 7 by 7 by 50 by 7. After calculation, we get 6 root over 50 by 7 into 7 by 18 plus 5 root over 18 by 7 into 7 by 50. Then we get 6 root over 50 by 18 plus 5 root over 18 by 50. Then we get 6 root over 25 by 9 plus 5 root over 9 by 25. As you know, square root of 25 by 9 equal to 5 by 3. Square root of 9 by 25 equal to 3 by 5. So here we get 10 plus 3. That means 13 equal to right hand side. So x equal to 25 by 7 is the root of the given equation. Now we verify this equation for x equal to minus 1 by 7. Here if we put the value x equal to minus 1 by 7, then we get this term. Because you know 2 into minus 1 by 7 equal to this term, and after calculation this term we get minus 1 minus 7 by 7. After calculation this term we get minus 1 minus 7 by 7. Here 2 into minus 1 by 7 equal to minus 2 by 7. So boys, here we get 6 root over minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 by 8 plus 5 root over minus 8 by 7 into minus 7 by 2. From this term we get 6 root over 2 by 8 plus 5 root over 8 by 2. Because you know 2 by 8 equal to 1 by 4, 8 by 2 equal to 4. Square root of 1 by 4 equal to half. Square root of 4 equal to 2. Because you get here 3 plus 10 equal to 13 equal to right hand side. So x equal to minus 1 by 7 is the root of the given equation. So our required solution here x equal to 25 by 7 comma minus 1 by 7, because these two values satisfy this equation. Because now I will give you some homework which you solve using today's lecture. 1. Root over x plus 4 plus root over x plus 11 equal to root over 8x plus 9. 2. Root over x square plus 4x minus 4 minus root over x square plus 4x minus 10 equal to 6. 3. Root over x minus 1 by thrice x plus 2 plus 2 root over thrice x plus 2 by x minus 1 equal to 3. Because coronavirus has stopped our life, follow these easy steps to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Disinfect surfaces around your home and work. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Cover your mouth when sneeze or cough. Try to keep distance. Avoid public gathering, and try to follow the rules of World Health Organization, by which you can save yourself from COVID-19. Thank you.